Hi guys, Rob from Rob's Model Cars, and today's video is going to be the start of a new series on how to build the hobby design LB Performance Aventador. Now, I've built a couple of these custom models already, and I've had quite a few questions on how to show how to use this hobby design kit and build these models. I've built the baby blue version here, and I've also built the Zero Fighter version in the grey. So this is the hobby design Liberty Walk Aventador trans kit. Now this is made up of resin parts, the flares, the rear wing, exhaust tips, brakes, wheels and tyres, all comes in this kit, and it's to go onto a Auto Art Lamborghini Aventador, and this is the end result that you get. Now the next model I've chosen to build is actually a roadster version of the Aventador. So I've got a Auto Art Aventador Roadster here. I always paint these models in a specific colour, so it doesn't matter what colour Roadster I buy because it's going to be pulled apart and repainted anyway. So this one I've decided to go with a blue Hera dark metallic blue model because it has the tan creamy coloured interior. This is not going to be the final colour of this Liberty Walk model, but that's what I'm starting with anyway. So I will go through in the next couple of videos on how to disassemble an Auto Art model car, and I'll also do an unboxing of the hobby design kit so that you can see all the parts that are involved, and then we'll go through step by step in different videos on how to modify the die cast body to make these parts fit, and then how to assemble and do all the finer details as well. So stay tuned for this modelling series. If you do want to build one of these models, I've got a few tips and tricks that will make the job a little bit easier. It isn't the easiest model to modify with this hobby design kit, but hopefully my tutorial will make it a little bit easier if you want to tackle this job yourself. So stay tuned for the next episode where I'll disassemble the Auto Art model and show you how to do that and get it ready for the fitment of the hobby design kit. So until the next video, thanks for watching and see you next time.